Well, it's been raining. Yes, it has. And today, we went out earlier. We got some blue sky. It's been raining about 21 hours. And you can see the water standing there. Well, I hope you enjoy this next video, guys, because I ain't even going to show you what's behind me. But we went out and explored the washes around here when it's raining. Well, nobody's called me normal before, so. Well, we're in California. We're in Arizona, and it's raining, and we're checking out the washes. And that guy's gonna go for it.
Oh my gosh!
And
that's pretty deep.
He made it. Yeah. He made it.
Holy cow!
Let's see who's next.
Nope,
that guy's saying, "Screw that! I just seen that. They ain't gonna do that."
That Jeep is probably gonna try it.
I ain't gonna make my wife a rich winner.
And then some people just say, "Hold my beer."
No.
Oh no. He turned around. I don't see many other people going through that.
That Jeep's over there looking at you going, I wish some Jeep's going.
Yeah.
If he goes, I'm going. If he goes.
Motion him to come on.
Come on through, it's okay. Oops.
Nobody's gonna go through it except that one guy.
Yeah, that one guy did.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Well, how whiz has that truck?
If you ever lose traction and water catches you going off the road.
Well, or if it dies. If you flood your motor, die in there, you're dead in there. That's all there is to it.
Once it gets deep, once it gets off the pavement.
Here comes another Jeep. Are you gonna do it? Nope. I think your Jeep's gonna be the first one through it.
I thought we'd go across and y'all just wait across and get back in the truck.
Is that car gonna go?
good.
Nope. The problem is we live on that side of that thing. We're gonna have to find another way to get across it.
Yeah, so if we're gonna keep the women we married to.
Yeah, I don't. I would. Nah. Now, if I had my big green truck, Vickie.
Yeah.
Well, if I had my old Dodge, shit, that wouldn't be shit.
Here comes the Jeep. Is the Jeep gonna go? Come on, boys.
I don't know why they're sitting there.
They're waiting for me to go first.
Yeah,
they're waiting to do the same thing we are.
Oh, he's set up.
Yeah, I don't think anybody's going through it but that one guy. I mean, he went through it very easily.
Yeah.
But like I said, all you gotta do is flood your motor out of that
One
thing.
time you screwed, you know.
Yeah.
There's somebody here riding a motorbike out there.
People are up there on the other side, alongside of it,
looking at it,
watching it.
Oh, it's been raining about, what, 20 hours?
Off and on, yeah. It's start raining.
Yeah, everybody's turning around.
You give up on it.
What's it?
Started at noon
What's
today.
it gonna be something? Is it a little Jeep or what?
That's that one of them little four-wheelers.
Plus it rained.
Oh, here he comes. He's going. Boom, 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 boom. Up, up. Yay! He's looking at me. What's the matter with you guys?
Crazy old
Ain't no big thing.
A lot of them got the little breezers.
Minnesota, they don't got no brains.
What they getting in front of us for, asshole?
So they can turn around.
Well, they could have backed up.
Well, I don't know what they're getting. Maybe just taking pictures. They ain't gonna go through that, surely. Shirley? Is that she here?
Yeah, I think that's Shirley.
There's a green Jeep.
Oh, is that the one we saw yesterday downtown?
Oh, look. Big four-door, part-time.
Hot day's gonna go.
I wonder if they're parked over there looking at something.
That car's not gonna go through.
Yeah.
There he goes. Blip, 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 blip.
Oh, he's gonna turn around into one.
Don't do it.
No, somebody's driving your damn Jeep.
Yeah. Added another door or two.
Yeah, an extra door.
Chicken.
You know it's only getting higher as we see.
This guy ain't slowing down.
Yeah,
This guy ain't
he's
slowing
Look
down.
how fast that's moving though.
That's a Dodge. Wait a minute. It's going. Wait a minute.
Oh yeah, buddy, you can make that shit together and get your bumper wet.
Well, he had to stop long enough to get his wife to quit hitting him.
Come on,
Come on,
Dick.
buddy.
That's
It's not very deep.
No, pretty swift. Well, for us it'd be.
moving fast.
That ain't that bad.
It's not up to the bumper. No.
No. Yeah.
You're from Idaho. No
Oh,
wonder.
yeah. Yeah.
Well, that answers that question.
Yeah.
No brain, no pain.
Well, we whipping around or we going through, guys?
Let's look around. I don't want to go through that.
It's your Jeep, Charlie. I'll drive it if you say go through it.
I
But
don't care.
Gary, I don't want to go through that.
Okay, Gary.
Listen to Mama.
If it be me and you, we go.
well, yeah, everybody else is
We're
going.
just calling something
No,
where to
they're
pick us up.
not.
Well, all these Idaho people are.
A regular little pickup
That's just a
truck.
two-wheel drive pickup going through it.
Don't do it.
He's stopping you.
So, saved by mine.
Do I or do I not?
Do I do that?
Well, it don't make sense to get halfway out there and stop and back up and turn around.
No.
Shit. You done got your canuts wet. Go ahead.
Go, nigga. Go.
Is he gonna
There's
do
a
it?
big Ford coming. He'll go. I'm surprised he stopped up there. He ought to go through that.
Yeah. They're discussing it, I think. I don't know what they're doing.
Yeah, I think Bubba's got the rule.
I've just about made a 10-minute video right here.
Yeah, you probably better not put that on YouTube.
Why's that?
Oh, well, shit.
Well, I can't turn around. This guy's kind of got me
You know,
boxed in.
Gary, if you run up on that hill and
I could fly. I could do
jump,
it.
and you could jump over halfway.
Jump
I
not
think
my
so.
ass. No, we not jumping nothing. You either drive through
You
or
know,
go
if
around.
we had a little beat up Jeep, man, we'd tear some shit up. You know that?
Yes, we would.
Yeah, they turned around.
Yeah, okay, guys. Yeah, we'll just turn around, play it safe.
Let's play it safe.
All right.
Why are they just sitting there in the middle?
Maybe he wants to rinse his tires off. Maybe they're hot.
Yeah, his brakes are hot. All right, we're gonna turn. That's what it's like when you're in Arizona. That's only going to get worse. That guy, longer that guy sits there, the more he's going to start to float. That's just that simple.
The deeper the water.
Yeah, it ain't going to get shallower until it quits raining. And we're going to be stuck here if I don't turn around. So I'm turning around. Oh, big Dodge going to do it.
Well, he's down there. Somebody's got everybody blocked now in the middle of the road.
Yeah.
Somebody needs to go up on behind him, make him go on.
3,500 miles to go.
Oh yeah, he'll make it. Well, I'm gonna see if I can figure out a way to turn around. Was this guy going? Nope, he's backing up. Let's see if this big Dodge will go through there like they ain't nothing to it. That's pretty deep. That was over up to his hubs.
Yeah.
He going through.
Yeah, water in there, ditch.
Go get it, dude. You can do it. Oh, I like his sign. Fuck Joe Biden.
Oh,
Yeah, that'd be.
That's my kind of truck right there.
There you go.
Yeah, he's going. Get her done.
Oh,
No.
that's the guy from Idaho.
he done been through.
I don't know what he's gonna do.
There's that guy with the four-wheeler going up there. Oh, that one dodged going through. Are they talking to each other? Or are they going to race? Or
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh my gosh, that was
Oh yeah, we look at the rain still coming.
Oh yeah, that's gonna get really deep. There'll be lights flashing on that
There
thing.
goes the white dodge.
It's got it coming down.
Is he gonna go? Is he gonna go?
Yeah, he's creeping on out there. Oh, yeah, he makes shit.
It's not deep at all, really.
It's
No.
not even up. It's almost halfway to the hood.
Yeah.
Just
It's
barely
not deep
over.
at all.
We could do it.
There's a lot of
No.
no. Look, all them Dodges. Look, this one's here. He ain't even slacked up. He just went.
Holy moly.
Yeah,
Well, look at him. You see?
There goes a four-wheeler.
Yeah, but you saw that Dodge truck back in swing.
yeah, he's got a couple tires back there. Let's see what this guy does.
Oh no.
See if he eats it. Oh, come on. If he can do it, I know we
It's
can.
fishtail.
I don't want to go through that.
We ain't got, them guys ain't even having a problem, dear. We can do it. Sandra, can we do it?
I ain't saying shit.
I think we could do it.
I don't want to.
I don't think we have any problem.
I think we could too, but we shouldn't if Vickie don't want to.
Hold that camera.
You filming?
Like, hold it up, dumbass.
You got it.
He doing the floorboard.
There you go. You got us going upside down.
Well, I didn't know I had the camera going.
Oh yeah, you got her
Get
going.
in the middle.
In the middle. Here we go.
Don't go fast. Just a good steady pace.
Oh hell, ain't nothing to it.
I know.
Now we go. Yeehaw! Yeehaw!
That was pretty cool.
Oh, hey guys, what do you think? Wasn't that your first
That was
wash
awesome.
wash?
I had a blast.
Vicky's laughing. I don't know if she enjoyed it or if she thinks she's
Man,
alive.
this done plumb foot level with that thing right there. That thing's level going that way.
Yeah, okay. Well, that was fun now, wasn't it, guys? All right. Stay tuned for more videos.